Namaskar and welcome again to Planet to Soul Astrology. Sagittarius Surya. I wrote one article on my community box as well as on my page, and every time I decide that okay, I will tell everyone about my page on Facebook, and every time I am just missing that portion. So, before starting the session of Sagittarius Surya, let me tell you all that do follow and do read all my articles and posts on my Facebook page, Sunili Jani Pawar, or you can just say Sunili. If you will type, definitely my page will come, and please join me on Facebook platform also, so that every day you will find new articles and all the links of my videos also you will find that. Apart from that, you can follow me on Instagram, where I am regularly posting new articles or new postings. And now I have decided how the time will how much time I am getting. Definitely I will try to post everyday horoscope also on Instagram, but let me see how it is materializing. But other than that, I am posting all post on my Instagram account also. You can easily find me on Instagram also. Sunili you can type, and I am there. So Surya at present is transiting through Sagittarius sign. Sagittarius sign is also of Jupiter, and this is saying us that again Jupiter is connected to wiseness. Jupiter is connected to wisdom. Jupiter is connected to knowledge, education. By default, if you put Aries ascendant, like wherever your Aries sign or whichever planets are posited in your Aries sign, you just have to make that as your ascendant. So by default, 9 number sign will fall in your ninth house of chart, and there you will see that now this Surya is transiting, and then you have to communicate this Surya with all other planets of your chart. You just put your sun position in 9 number sign, and remaining planets whatever are there in your original chart, you just have to mention all those planets, so that easily you can recognize and you can understand how this transit is going for me. Other than that, as per ascendant chart also, wherever your Sagittarius sign is posited, in that sign the sun is going to transit or is transiting from this 15th of December till 14th of Jan. The Surya is going to remain in the sign of Jupiter, which is a favorable sign of Surya. Sun is brightness, Jupiter is wisdom, and Sun is kingdom, whereas Jupiter is maintaining that kingdom by giving knowledge and by giving the correct path towards your goals. So do not miss this opportunity for starting or for thinking about your own new goals, your own new targets. This is the time when materialization of that targets are going to happen. Jupiter is at present in Mula Nakshatra. Mula's energy always resides in roots. So what these roots are saying us, that be grounded, be down to earth, and definitely you will have a superb growth in your life. Once you are kneel down, God is there to help you out. You can say it God, you can say it positive energy, you can say your good karma, you can say your punya. Everything is there to help you to stand straight and head high in your life. The Surya being in Jupiter's sign, that is Sagittarius, Agni Tattva Rashi, in Mula Nakshatra. Maybe you are at such a point where you have to take drastic decision, where some transformation are falling ahead for you, because immediately behind this Surya there is a Ketu in the sign of Scorpio. So Ketu is something cutting out. Ketu is something not giving you full fruits. So this sun will definitely struggle in your life to give you good position, to make you channelized and find a good path for you. Sun being in Mula Nakshatra, Mula energy everyone knows is very Tikshana energy, right? And Mula's energy is something, as I said, are in roots. So you have to change yourself from root cause. If you have your doshas, or if you have problems with your own nature, this is the time you can work on your own nature from the root cause. If you are finding difficulties at your office place, this is the time when you will find the root cause where things are lacking. It is not that automatically people are not talking to you or backstabbing you or something, you are not getting cooperation or coping up with your subordinates, but you have to see the root cause of that. And finally, you have to understand, if you will take the causes on you, that maybe something is wrong in me only, then definitely it will be more good to improve yourself. Do not become judgmental. The Surya in Jupiter is saying that only. Do not become judgmental. Do not judge people. Do not judge situation. Let it be as it is, nature, and the concerned authorities are going to decide what is going to happen. Only we can give our views, but we cannot judge, because you do not know the root cause of that reason. That is why we have to be surrendered and grounded. This Surya will also go in Purva Shada Nakshatra, that is of Venus sign. And what will happen, that Surya and Venus together are not very comfortable. Even though Sun is going in Venus Nakshatra, what it says, that your creativity will be at peak. You will feel that automatically my hobbies are getting activated. I like photography, I like drawing, I like painting, I like embroidery, I like designing. Everything is coming into action. I like technologies, definitely it will come into action. Purvashada is something giving you nourishment. This is the time when you have to nourish your own hobbies. By fulfilling them in a correct way, you can convert your hobbies into paid job. This is the time, friends. It is not that Surya is only going to remain for 1 month. There is starting of anything, definitely in some or other Surya transit or some or other transit. Definitely when you are getting job in particular month, that job remains with you for years together. Same way, during this transit period, whatever you will do or whatever you will decide, it is going to remain for a longer period of time with you. And then comes the Uttarashada Nakshatra, right? So Uttarashada Nakshatra is again like connected to Surya. So here your remaining post, position, promotions, designations, change of department, change of job, going to pilgrimages, holy baths, so many things will come into action. If in your own chart Sun is in a good position, then definitely you will experience fantastic fruits. This will totally depend on your Jupiter and your Surya position, but some or other way, 100% you are going to experience the fruits of this Surya transit in the sign of Sagittarius. Spiritual activities, definitely you can attend. You can definitely indulge your into spiritual activities. You can go on spiritual path. You can dedicate some hours or some days of your life towards spirituality, towards wellness of others, and towards having a holistic approach. Definitely life will be more beautiful for you. So let us see this Surya transit in the sign of Sagittarius in a positive way. Next time I will come with another topic. By that time, stay tuned with Planet to Soul Astrology, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And as I always say, Sabka Mangal Ho. May all be blessed. Namaste.